Students, today we are studying about host compute. Host user stores and retrieves the data through application, and the computer on which this application run that are referred as host or the compute system. Host can be physical or the virtual machine. A compute virtualization software enable creating virtual machine on top of the physical compute infrastructure. For example, physical hosts include the desktop computer, servers, or the cluster, or a cluster of servers, laptop, and mobile devices. A host consists of the hardware component such like CPU, memory, I/O devices, and the collection of the different software to perform the compute operation. So this software includes the operating system, file system, logical volume manager, and device driver, and so on. These these softwares can be installed as a separate entity or a part of operating system. So this CPU consists of 4 components, and that is arithmetic logic unit, control unit, registers, cache memories, etc. So these are there are 2 type of memory on the host, and that is random access memory and read-only memory. I/O devices enable the communication with the host. The example of I/O devices are just like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. Software runs on a host and enable processing of input and output, that is I/O data. Now we see the compute virtualization. What is compute virtualization? Compute virtualization is a technique for making, or you can say abstracting, the physical hardware from operating system. So it enables the multiple operating system to run connectivity on a single, or you can say clustered physical machine. So these technique enable creating a portable virtual compute system, and that is called the virtual machine. A portable virtual compute system. Okay, so using this technique we have to create this one, and each virtual machine runs an operating system and application instance in an isolated manner. Compute virtualization is achieved by a virtualization layer, and that reside between the hardware and virtual machine. Now you see at here, this is the virtualization layer. Okay, so this virtualization layer is what? This layer is called the hypervisor, and this hypervisor provides the hardware resources such like the CPU, memory, NIC card, hard disk, etc. So these all and the network also to all the virtual machine. So within a physical server, a large number of virtual machine can be created depending on the hardware capabilities of a physical server. A virtual machine is a logical entity but appears all a physical host to the operating system. So with its own CPU, memory, network controller, network controller, and disk. So however, all virtual machine, that is virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3, these are all the number of virtual machine we can just to appears or we can create. So all these virtual machine shares the same underlying physical hardware in an isolated manner from hypervisor. perspective, from the hypervisor perspective, we see that the virtual machine are discrete set of files that include virtual machine configuration files, data files, and so on. Typically, we can say a physical server often faces the resource conflicts issues when two or more applications running on the server have conflicting requirements. For example, the application might need different values of same registry entry and different version of same DLL and so on. So these issues are further compounded with an applications and high availability requirement. So as a result, the server are limited to serve only one application at a time. So these cause the organization to purchase new physical machines for every applications they deploy, result in expensive and inflexible infrastructure. On the other hand, the many applications do not take the full advantage of hardware capabilities available to them. So consequently, these resources such as processor, memory, storage remain unutilized. So compute virtualization is the solution for that one, that enables users to overcome these challenges by allowing the multiple operating system and application to run on a single physical machine. This technique significantly improves server utilization and provide server consolidation. So this is the compute virtualization. Thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.